Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to teach you a few mandala patterns step by step as a part of my practice. It is a great way to improve your mandala drawing skill and your final artwork will look amazing. Before jumping right into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Now pause this video, go grab your tools and let's get started. This grade paper notebook is from CLASSMATE, which is available in any stationery store. For the first pattern, I'm going to take 3 boxes of each column and 2 boxes of each row. Now first mark 0.5 cm in both the ends and then connect both of them together. Draw small circles with each vertical lines in the middle. Then I'm drawing swirl patterns in between the circles. Then I'm gonna draw a pattern similar to lotus above it. So I'm gonna make a 0.5 cm in these 2 ends and join both of them together. The perfection comes when you repeat the same details in each of the pattern. So all the petals will be limited this way. I'd always recommend you to first draw your art completely with a pencil before firing it up with a pen. At the base, I am drawing a dome-shaped pattern and half filling it. Don't forget to draw a straight line above and below this base pattern. For the second pattern, I'm gonna use 3 boxes of each column and each row. Now let me number the boxes. In this third row, I'm marking 0.5 cm in both the ends to draw a good straight line. Again, I'm numbering the boxes. Now draw a 0.5 cm in the second column and make a short vertical line. And repeat the same procedure as we did earlier in the first pattern. In the base, I am drawing same swirl patterns with small balls. the upcoming patterns, we are gonna use the same 3 rows and columns. Now for this third pattern, I'm going to repeat the same basic steps that we followed in the second pattern. After this step, draw a small circle with this line in the middle. Draw a petal over it, then draw half petals next to it by reducing its height bit by bit. Make sure your left hand side and right hand side looks equal, else make it equal. I need to repeat the same height for all the remaining petals in the pattern, right? So, I'm drawing a straight line over this petal and extending it to the other end, which will act as a limit for the petals in the remaining patterns. Then, draw a pair of paisley pattern at both the ends. Paisley pattern is a teardrop motif with a curved upper end. It is my favorite thing to fill the petals with a short line with a dot above it. Trust me, this works amazing when you thicken the rim of the patterns in the last layer. Alright, now I'm filling the base with another dome shaped pattern. All you need to do is to draw a dome with 2 short lines with dot above it. Don't forget to fill the gaps in between the domes. We have successfully completed 3 patterns. For the 4th pattern, after repeating the basic steps as in the second pattern, mark 0.5 cm in all the 3 columns at the bottom. Then draw a vertical line in the second column. Then I am drawing a structure like a sharp dome, leaving some space from the top of this middle line. After this step, make consecutive petals over this sharp dome. You can do so by making another light sharp dome above it. Then I'm drawing a pair of paisley pattern with consecutive domes above it. Fill the gaps inside the inner sharp dome. Then draw short lines with a dot above it inside these petals. Here I am making the base pattern more simple by drawing circles with a dot in it. For the last pattern, after doing all the basic steps as in pattern 4, I am drawing another sharp dome structure after leaving some space. Then I am drawing a pair of inverted paisley patterns inside this sharp dome. Then repeat the petals as in pattern 3. Don't forget to fill the gaps inside the dome. For the base, I am just drawing the super simple swirl patterns. That's it. If you have any query, feel free to contact me through Instagram at Vedika Scribbles, or you can even email me to vedikascribbles@gmail.com. Hope you guys learned something from this tutorial. If you like this video, make sure you tap on the big fat thumb button, comment your review, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. I'm signing off now. Can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.